Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Triton single cab GLX cab chassis ute, stock reference number 3893. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 4G64 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 4G64 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand front as well as both sides. It's fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. It's got an aftermarket toolbox, alloy, lockable, no keys. Spare wheel, 16-inch, factory steel with a good tyre. Right rear, 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, 5-speed manual gear knob, heated controls, single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, right headrest, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.